In this video, I will show you how to use Paste Special in Microsoft Excel. So, different between Paste and Paste Special. So, as its name, it has some more features. Once you click on Paste Special, you can paste Unicode text or simple text. For example, if you are copying from internet, like we can see once we copy this paragraph, so it has some format, some bold, some italic, and some words has the link. So once you copy it, also we can see superscript. So to paste special in Excel, like you want to paste special here, so click here and click on paste special. Now you have three format. As once you click on paste special, so you have these three options: as HTML, as Unicode text, and only text. So select like Unicode text and click on OK. Now simple text, so select it. Once you right click on it, so you will see these options. Once you select HTML, insert the content of the clipboard as HTML format. So once you select HTML format, so you can paste as it is. So once you paste as HTML, so you can paste as all format, like with link, with color, and all the format what you have in this paragraph. And if you paste as a Unicode text, so it will remove all links, colors, boldness, and italics. So this is the way, guys, you can use Paste Special. Thanks for watching.